Good morning, everyone. The Honorable Mrs. Dwi Iswayuni. Today, I want to talk about something simple but important: smoking in campus areas. Some people think smoking is just their own choice, but when someone smokes on campus, it affects everyone around them. The smoke spreads and disturbs students, leaders, and staff who don't want to inhale it. We all know smoking is bad for our health. It can cause serious diseases like lungs cancer and heart problems. But besides that, it also makes our campus dirty and gives a bad impression to visitors. As student of Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika, we should take care of our environment. Supporting a smoke-free campus means we care about others and want our campus to stay clean and comfortable. Let's show that we are responsible students, not only smart in class, but also respectful in our behavior. Together, let's say no to smoking on campus and make UBSC a healthier place for everyone. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I am present continuous tense, and my name is Eran Dismana, and my name 1925090. What is present continuous? The present continuous tense describes actions that are happening now or around the current time. Example, I am speaking to you right now. The present continuous tense is used when we talk about something happening at the moment of speaking. For example, right now I am giving this presentation. That's present continuous. Formula: subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing. Example: I'm studying, she is cooking, they are playing football. This is the basic formula of the present continuous tense. We use am, is, or are depending on the subject and then add the verb plus ing. For example, I am studying English now. Example sentence. Here are some examples of the present continuous in real situation. The first one, I'm studying English, means it's happening right now. The second, she is cooking dinner, also shows on ongoing action, and they are playing football, means they are doing it at this moment. The B form, we use am, is, or are depending on the subject. For example, we say I am eating, she is reading, and they are singing. Remember, choosing the right form of to be is very important. Correct grammar. How to add ing? When we add ing to a verb, sometimes we just add it directly like working. But the same verbs, we need to change the spelling a little. For example, run, running. We double the consonant. Don't worry, I'll explain the spelling rules in the next slide. Spelling for ing. There are three main spelling rules for adding. First, most verbs just add the ing, like play, playing. Second, if a verb ends with e, we drop the e before adding ing, like make, making. And third, if the verb ends with a single vowel and consonant, we double the consonant. For example, run, running. When to use? We use the present continuous in four main situations. First, for actions happening right now, like I am talking to you. Second, for the temporary action, something that won't last forever, like I am staying at my cousin's house. Third, for changing situation, the weather is getting colder. Finally, for annoying repeated action, he is always losing his phone. Examples for each use right now. Here are some examples. When we say she is talking on the phone, it means she doing it right now. I am living in Jakarta for a few months, so something temporary. It's getting colder, describe change, and he is always interrupting me is something annoying that keeps happening. Practice time. 1. C. Study English now. 2. They play football at the park. 3. I not watch TV. 4. What you do. 5. The weather get colder. Now let's practice. I'll give you a few sentences and you fill in the blanks with the correct present continuous form. Remember, use is, are plus the ing form of the verb. Answer and explanation. 1. Is studying. C. Use is verb ing. 2. Are playing. They use are. 3. I'm not watching. Negative form I'm not plus verb ing. What you are you doing? Are plus verb ing. Are you doing? 5. The weather is getting. Here are the correct answer. We use is, or are depending on the subject. For negative, just add not, and for question, put the verb to be before the subject. And don't forget spelling change like getting. And now, present continuous in real life. We use the present continuous all the time in real life. For example, students and studying. It's happening now, or my mom is cooking dinner. It's also happening right now. Even saying it's raining shows what's happening in this exact moment. Conversation example. Lily. Hi John, what are you doing? John. I'm studying for my English test. Lily. Oh really? I'm doing my homework too. John. Nice. Are you watching TV later? Lily. No, I am meeting my friend after this. Here's how people use present continuous in real conversation. Notice the structure or is or are plus verb ing. You can hear it in daily talks. I'm studying. I'm meeting friends. Are you watching TV? All of these are present continuous tense sentence. Try a short dialogue. Lily. Ask your partner what they are doing now. John. Answer using present continuous. Example. What are you doing? I'm listening to music. Now it's your turn. Work in pairs. Ask your partner what they are doing right now and answer using the present continuous. You can say things like I'm studying, I'm drinking coffee, or I'm checking my phone. After that, switching roles. Common mistakes. Wrong sentence, correct sentence. She walking now. She is walking now. They is playing football. They are playing. I'm studying English. I'm studying English. He are watching TV. He is watching TV. It's rains outside. It's raining outside. These are some common mistakes students make. Many people forget to use is, or they use the wrong one. Remember, the present continuous always needs the verb to be and the ing form. Sentence structure. This is the basic structure for present continuous. It's really simple. Just remember to use is, or are depending on your subject. For negatives, not, at not, and for question, move to verb to be to the form. Quick review quiz. Choose the correct answer. 1. C playing piano now. 2. I not listening or to music. 3. they studying right now. For he cooking dinner. 5. The sun Sinning. Let's just test what we've learned. I'll read each sentence and you choose the right answer. Focus on using is or are correctly. That's the key to mastering present continuous. Which answer and explanation. One is she is use is. Two, I use am. Three, are they use are. Is he use is the son is use is. Here are the correct answer. Remember, the choice depends on the subject. Use am with I. Use with the singular subject like he or she, and are with plural ones like they. Summary. Present continuous am or is or are. Verb plus verb ing. Used for action happening now or around now also. Used for temporary actions and change. Be careful with spelling when adding ing. Always match am is are with the correct subject. So, to summarize, the present continuous tense describe what happening right now or around this moment is formed with am is or are plus the ing form. Just remember the subject, agreement, and spelling rules, and you are so natural when speaking English. Thank you everyone for your attention. I hope you understand more about the present continuous tense now. If you have any question or example to share, I'd be happy to discuss them.